Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. Thank you all for your overwhelming support on the delivery video. Links above on my new 2018 BMW M3 F80. Super excited to start modifying it and giving it the HQ BMW touch. If you're new to the channel, lightly tap that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and every time I upload a new video you'll be notified and you can keep up with the vlogs and the new build of the M3. We got some pretty big and exciting things already planned for it. Stuff's on order. It's just gonna have to wait because of COVID. Shipping is a little bit slow and it's gonna take some time, but that's okay. We're gonna keep making some epic content for you guys, and let's just enjoy the car for the way it is right now until we start getting into some pretty deep modifications. But speaking of modifications, we have our first one already. I think this is an important one. Everybody knows the top 5 modifications I like to do to every vehicle. Tinted windows, obviously that's done. We have to debadge it. We'll do that in a later vlog. One of the things that kind of bugs me on this car right now is, if you look right here, it's got the silver chrome kidney grills. We have some factory OEM black M3 kidney grills. So let's get the old ones popped out and let's get these new ones in, and I'll show you guys what the before and after results look like. So here is what the before looks like. So I'm pretty sure that we can just take off the rubber strip and loosen the top part of this bumper and get our hands in behind the bumper to get the clips pushed down, just like we did on the F30. So let's get the strip off, get these bolts loosened, and get these grills out. The little bolts are a T25. Okay, first one out. Now the second one will be easy because I'll actually be able to get my hand through the open kidney grill hole. So let's get the second one out and then we can get the new gloss black ones installed. Number 2, let's get the fancy ones put in. Let's clean in here first. We're just using some Meguiar's ceramic quick detailer. This is honestly one of my new favorite quick detailers. It leaves an awesome gloss finish and kind of smells good too. So, very, very simple to put back in. Just line up your slots. Push it in. Again, line up your slots. Push it in. Now we can get the bolts put back in and we'll see what the car looks all completed. Okay, so what do you guys think? Black one's better? Yes, absolutely, the black ones are better. There we go. Simple, simple, simple install. First modification done to the BMW M3. There we go. Done and done. Super quick, nice and easy, and I think it makes a massive difference to the front end of the car. So now we actually have a rally that we're going on tomorrow, and we need to get some of the decals put on the doors so we can go and join the festivities. A little bit later today, we're actually going to go down and help install more of the actual door cars for the rally. So I'm going to bring you guys along. If that's something you guys want to see, keep watching and we'll go check out all the epic cars that are going to be on the rally tomorrow. Door cards are on. She's cleaned up, ready to rock and roll. You guys will probably recognize some of the sponsors that are on this door card. Maybe those two. Yep. Made it to Ultimate Auto Protection. They are already putting graphics on this Lambo.
Yeah. Oh yeah, man. It's a marketing tool for each. That's cool. How'd you guys get an app done? Was that done here locally or did you outsource it?
And there is the shop. Damn, what do you guys think of that?
Only chocolate green on the floors. Period. See you tomorrow! Woo!
Look at Steve's M4. His M4 makes mine look like a friggin' 4x4. What do you guys think? I really dig those wheels. Steve's car is so sick on air. Man, I just love that look. I think stone needs to be dropped ASAP.
Gossip with Ace. 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 Hey, gossip with gossip on the A's. Gossip with A's. Gossip on the A's.
Was it the bottom? This is the bottom, right?
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because we don't want to. I mean, you can put it over top of that. I don't think you could ever.
What do you guys think of this FF?
There's a guy with a GT3RS that came through here for a bit that does a GT3RS script. He's like, I don't want that overlap.
What a sick color. Sounds so good. What a day. Busy day. Seen a lot of good people. It's been a while since we've had a rally, and I'm looking forward to tomorrow. I am going to be bringing you guys along. You can come on the adventure and see everything we do and the new car. But like that, have a fantastic day. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.